Today I'll show you how to send money on PayPal, including step-by-step instructions, tips, common challenges, and other useful insights. Open the PayPal app or go to paypal.com, log in with your email, username and password. Once logged in, tap the send button located at the bottom left of the screen. You can choose a contact from your recent list or search by typing in their email, phone number or PayPal username. Input the amount of money you wish to send. You can also change the currency by tapping on the currency icon, USD by default. Choose how you want to fund the payment, from your PayPal balance or a linked bank account, or credit card. Select between sending money to friends and family or for goods and services. Friends and family is for personal payments, there are no fees but no buyer protection. Goods and services may have a small fee, but it provides a buyer protection in case the product or service is not as expected. Review the details including any fees and click send. The recipient will receive an email or notification and the money is transferred instantly. You can add a short message to the recipient which can help clarify the purpose of the payment. If sending money internationally, PayPal supports multiple currencies. Confirm the currency before sending to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Always ensure you're sending money to the correct email or mobile number to avoid mistakes. If you accidentally send money as a business transaction when it's a personal transfer, you'll incur unnecessary fees. Make sure you select the right option before sending because you can't undo it. Ensure that your linked bank or credit card has enough funds to avoid declined transactions. Funding your payment through PayPal balance ensures faster processing and it avoids bank transfer delays. For regular payments like monthly rent or subscriptions, you can set up automated recurring transfers within the app. Always keep track of your payment history through the app to ensure there are no disputes or errors. PayPal is increasingly integrating with cryptocurrency. Some users are leveraging PayPal to buy, sell and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin directly within the platform. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.